All right, guys, this is their debut at K&G Mowers. It's 38.5 horse fuel injected Kawasaki. This is your Mowhawk mower. These are made right here in Paris, Texas. So if you have an issue, the factory is right here. This is 72-inch deck, cuts amazing. It's got your suspension seat on it. It's got an automatic throttle body. But yeah, this mower it's got Parker HT. I want to say J's, because they are super smooth. Request a demo. We put you in a demo. In fact, I think I have one here, a 61 demo. And this is a 38.5 horse fuel injected Kawasaki motor, 72-inch deck. And y'all want to be the first to own a Paris, Texas made lawnmower. Y'all, it's grass colored. That's about the smartest idea I've ever seen. But their attention to detail is really awesome. They spent a lot of work on this, and we did help them a little bit, just getting them designed and ready to go.